umbule uyazi uzoshow up each and every time awune midfield eshow up ayo i-10s le uyafuna ukuthena ngakhona nala kungamelanga 10 uyathena and mangithi uyathena akatheneli ku traffic iyalazi ibhola phela hayi ukuthi my football player mele bakutshela ukuthi men on sometimes you can tell the guy ngathi unama mirror at the back but I'm not surprised sometimes kunabanye abantu mfethu uNkulunkulu usuka enza ngamabomu thola ukuthi career yabo nje been cut thina sithi manga remain discipline uNkulunkulu wenza ngamabomu ngalomfana so the boy uzoba important koLorlando Pirates ngoba kunama game azoyiwinela iPirates game him alone uzostand manga remain discipline he mustn't get carried away after this game ama game ay7 mina I'm just pleading because the nation is going to benefit nabakambule uzo create legacy for his kids and his family so umfana did very well. Very important member. Yes, Unduli uyambona udlala lapho. Unduli umuntu o protect back four. In modern football obviously midfield number 6 mele adlale. Enhle akusi modern it's been into ekudala ikhona. But uyazi ama team amaningi number 6 ngikhuluma ngeholding. Bambe ukuthi protect back 3. Uzokuthi akhama ngoba batheka ngama back cover but now umuntu ozoba important game koLorlando Pirates it's Sipho Mbule. Honestly, Shane, if the guy ashana ama extras, I mean uSipho dala beka away in this game usirobhile ngamagama mangithi usirobhile kunama game la expect ukuthi uzodlala uzobathi kune scandal so now it's been given a lifeline by Orlando Pirates he need just to take this ngapotent ngoba igame 65 minutes namhlanje ubonisile ukuthi what is capable of but Pirates look different now Pirates namhlanje cause igame abevarate last time ngikhuluma last season Jose Rivera Pirates mele idlale ngespeed today back surprise they play right moment and then they play abomfukeng yiyo ngithi umfukeng today kule game namhlanje star ngicela ukuthi ungezwe kahle umfukeng ingwenya lo mfana psychological I don't think is okay indaba kunama room amaningi and obviously involve nama parent yiyo ngithi psychological umfana fika unkotha ama player bashamvethu and umkotha left nje ngumfukeng I think imshayile le week amkotha if I can be honest each and every human being I know ukuthi umfana people can say whatever they want to say psychological I don't think is okay or is gonna be okay we don't even know going forward because kune room ukuthi umfana can follow umfukeng ulo unkotha ngikhuluma ngase South Arabia there's rumors nasama giant wase African teams they want him kunenye futhi offer ngibonile vela if is that true so psychological I don't think is okay ngoba either way yes apolice imncedile ukuthi akore